Hello, I've just been working on a few more bits for my vet centre, and I've just made the bandages. And what I did was I went down and I got a support bandage like this, and it's like sticky almost. It's not, there's no stickiness on it, but it sort of sticks to itself. And all I did was I took a glue stick, cut it. What I did is I cut that one up into 3 pieces and got some reasonable lengths of it, and then I took the glue stick and I rolled it all around the glue stick until it was nearly up to the end, and then I folded the end back on itself so that you've got a nice roll of bandage there, because I didn't want it sort of so that the children couldn't grab hold of it, and that will just come off all by itself like that. So there you go, you've got a lovely little bandage on a glue stick. If you wanted to, then you could pull the glue stick out, but I think I'm going to leave it in there so that the children can grab a hold of it. Okay.